What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Nissan Kicks remote key fob. This Nissan Kicks key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to replace this key fob battery is a smaller flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that key to the side. Now I'm going to grab my screwdriver, and if we hold our key with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, I'm going to get my screwdriver in between the black and silver plastic piece right here. And if you notice, there's actually a little bit of an arrow printed on here. One right here, and there's one just like it on that side, and that's just pointing to where we want to put our screwdriver in order to open this. So on one of these two sides, you can pick whichever one you want first. I'm going to get my screwdriver in between the black and silver plastic like that. Then I'm just going to twist the screwdriver like I'm opening a lock with a key. Come over here and do the same thing. Make sure the screwdriver is pushed in and just twist. And after it's started, you can go ahead and pull it the rest of the way apart with your hands like that. In the back half of the case, we can see our battery right here. I'll use my screwdriver just to help get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that holder. Then I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first. It's down here near this metal battery clip. Tuck that edge in first like that, and then snap the battery down into place. Then we can go ahead and snap the two halves back together. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.